Let's talk about entering Box 12 information on W-2 in IRS. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about entering the Box 12 information from your W-2 form on your tax return, which involves reporting specific codes and amounts related to various types of compensation or benefits. So please note that the tax forms and instructions can change. That is why it's really essential to refer to the most recent IRS guidelines for the tax year 2024. So here are the general steps you might follow to enter the Box 12 information on your tax return. First of all, locate your Box 12 on your W-2. On your W-2 form, Box 12 is a series of boxes labeled with the codes AA through H and corresponding amounts. Each code represents a different type of compensation or benefit. Now understand the codes. Review the codes in the Box 12 and understand what each code represents. Common codes include amounts related to retirement plan contributions, health benefits, stock options, and more. After that, enter the codes on your tax return. When you're preparing a tax return, example using a tax software or filing out a paper return, find the section that corresponds to the Box 12 or the W-2. Enter the appropriate codes and the corresponding dollar amounts. If there are multiple codes in the Box 12, enter each code and its associated amount in the appropriate section of your tax return. If you're using a tax preparation software, follow the instructions provided by the software. It may guide you through the process of entering Box 12 information and ensure the accurate reporting. And if you're filing a paper return, follow the instructions in the tax form booklet for using the specific form you are using, example Form 1040, and enter the Box 12 information in the designated space. Before submitting your tax return, review all the entered information, including the Box 12 codes and amounts, to ensure the accuracy. And always consult the latest IRS publications, instructions, or contact a tax professional for the guidance tailored to the tax year you're filing. IRS forms and requirements can change, so it's really crucial to use the most up-to-date information available. So this was all about entering the Box 12 information on W-2 in IRS. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.